Good evening. Okay, in this class we are going to solve the age related problems. Okay, so in this topic it's also a topic of maths, and you can say that the logical reasoning based on the logical reasoning. So it means the age based problem based on the basically less mathematical operation, and basically it's totally depends on the logical operation works more in this. Because there are the very easy mathematical calculation in age based problems, but if you do not understand the logic properly, on which on based on which of the mathematical expression is being formed, then you will completely get the wrong answer. So here we are, first of all, you have to pay attention on which logic works on the based on the question, or you can say that the what kind of mathematical expression being developed based on the basic logical reasoning. So okay, directly we will do the examples. So the first question is, the sum of the ages of four brothers is 56 years. The difference of their ages is equally 4 years. Then what will be the age of the eldest brother? Now in this case you can say that we have the sum of ages of four brothers is 56. Now it's not given any age of it's not given the age of any brothers, like oldest or smallest. Then you have to suppose any variable like x. Suppose this is the eldest brother's age. Now we have the portion where it says the ages is equally 4 years. Difference of ages is equally 4 years. That means if this is the age of youngest brother, then what will be the next age? X plus 4. Similarly, age of third brother, that is x plus 8. Now the fourth one, x plus 12. Okay, and the sum of the ages of four brothers is 56 years. Is it clear? Now just add these all the variables and you can get the value of x, that will be the youngest age of youngest brother. So x plus x plus x, that means 4x plus 4, 8, 12 and 12, 24. Okay, so 4x plus 24 is equals to 56. Now 4x is equals to 56 minus 24, and x is equals to 56 minus 24 divided by 4. It means 32 divided by 4, and the value of x you will get the value of x is 8. Okay, so what is the age of youngest brother? Is 8 years. Now what will be the age of the eldest brother? So x plus 12 is the age of eldest brothers, so that's why you can put the value of x in this age variable, that will be 8 plus 12. It means the 20 year is the age of eldest brother. Is it clear? Just assume as a variables the age of all the four brothers, x plus 4, because we have the difference of ages equally 4 years with all the four brothers. That's why x is the eldest youngest. Then the second one is x plus 4, third one is x plus 8, and so on, x plus 12. And we have already the sum of ages of four brothers is 56 a year. So just solve the problem, or you can say that just add these ages of all the brothers and you will get the value of x, that will be the age of youngest brother. Now the question is, what will be the age of eldest brother? That's why you have to choose the largest expression, that is the x plus 12. So just put down the value of x in this expression, so you can get the value of eldest brother, or you can say that the age of eldest brother. So this is 20 years. Is it clear? Now let's move on the second question. Okay, the sum of the ages of the father and his son is 56 years. After 4 years, the father's age was 3 times that of his son. Then find the present age of the son. So basically, suppose in present time, the sum of ages of father and son. So suppose father's age is X and son's age is Y. Clear? The ages of father and son is 56 years. After 4 years, the father's age was 3 times that of his son's age. Now, so just add these variables. X plus Y is equals to 56 years. Correct? Suppose this is the equation number 1. So that's why I call this is the basically a logical reasoning portion. There is a much less mathematical expression or mathematical calculation. It's totally on the logical based question or logical reasoning based questions. So just add the sum of the ages of father and son. So we have the age of father, which is already we have assumed as a X, plus Y is the age of son age of son. So just add the both the ages, will be 56 years. Now after 4 years, the father's age was 3 times. Suppose after 4 years, that means after 4 years means the father's age will be X plus 4, right? And the son's age will be Y plus 3, Y plus 4, because it's after 4 years. And the logic is, after 4 years, the father's age was 3 times that of his son's age. That means this is the age of son and this is the father's age, and this is the son's age. So the condition or logic in this is after the 4 years, the father's age was 3 times that of son. So just multiply to the son's age, 3 to the son's age. So the logic is here. Now just find out the value of X. So X plus 4 is equals to 3Y plus 12. So X is equals to 3Y plus 12 and minus 4, that will be plus 8. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now we have the value of X is equals to 3Y plus 8. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, equation 1, X plus Y is equals to 56. Correct? And we have the value of X from equation number 2. Just put down the value of X, which is 3Y plus 8 plus Y is equals to 56, right? And 3Y plus 8 plus Y, that means 4Y is equals to 56 minus 8. Now 4Y is equals to 48 and Y is equals to 48 divided by 4, which is 4 1 ja 2 ja. So 12 years. Now what is the question? Basically the question is find the present age of son. So Y is the present age of son and this is the answer. So you can say that the present age of son is 12 years. Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay. Let's do another example. So the age of mother is 25 years more than the age of her son. Okay. The age of a mother is 25 years more than the age of her son. Before 5 years, she was 6 times the age of her daughter. Then what is the age of mother? तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो एक माँ की आयु अपने पुत्र की आयु से 25 वर्ष अधिक है, 25 years more है अपने सन के एज से. So suppose, okay, there is a confusing. The age of a mother is 25 years more than the age of son. This is not a son. Suppose this is the daughter. Okay. and before 5 years she was 6 times the age of her daughter, then what is the age of her mother? Okay, एक माँ की आयु अपनी पुत्री की आयु से, ओके, इट्स नॉट पुत्र, इट्स पुत्री, की आयु से 25 वर्ष अधिक है, 5 वर्ष से पहले वह अपनी पुत्री की आयु से 6 गुना थी, तो माँ की आयु क्या है? ओके, so the age of mother is 25 years more. So now suppose the daughter's age is variable x. Now the mother's age will be, what will be the mother's age? The age of mother is 25 years more. So this is daughter's age and mother's age will be x plus 25, right? Now suppose the before 5 years, now create the logic behind this question. Before 5 years she was 6 times the age of her daughter. She was, that means mother was, okay. So before 5 years daughter will be x minus 5 and mother will be x plus 25 minus 5, so x plus 20. Now before 5 years what is the age of daughter? X minus 5, and what is the age of mother? It's x plus 20. Now just create the logic behind this. So x plus 20 is mother is equals to 6 times of her daughter's age before 5 years. That means the age of daughter before 5 years, that will be x minus 5. So this is the basically a logic in this case. Now just this is the age of daughter before 5 years. This is the condition of before 5 years. Now just solve the problem and you can get the answer value of x, that will be the daughter age of daughter. So just x plus 20 is equals to 6x minus 30. Now x 4x 6x and minus x, so it will be 5x, and 30 plus 20, it will be 50. So x is equals to 50 divided by 5, that means 10 years. So this is the basically age of daughter. Now the question is, then what is the age of mother? So just put down the value of x into this, because the answer, the question is asking the present age of mother. So the present age of mother is x plus 20. So just put down the value of x into this expression. So mother's age will be x plus 25. So x is 10 and 25, that means the answer will be 35 years old. Correct, 35 years old is the correct answer. So the most important portion of the solution is this expression. Basically this is the logical reasoning portion, or you can say that the you have to create a logic behind the question, or you can say that the logic behind this problem. If you find the correct logic, then you will get the value of any age, or you can say that the value of x, and you can put down any of other expression, you will get the correct answer. Now the next question is, suppose in 1930 the age of a man was 8 times of his son's age. In 1930, okay, there is a year given in the question. In 1930, the age of a man was 8 times of his son. So suppose the son's age is x, and the father's age will be 8 times of his son, that means 8x, right? Now in 1938 the age of the father become 10 times of the son's age in 1930. So the logic will be in case of the year 1930. So that means in 1938 the father's age will be 8x plus 8. Okay, because it's a condition of 1938. So father's age will be 8x plus 8 in 1938. Now what will be the logic? The logic will be the father's age, that is 8x plus 8, is equals to, in 1938 the age of father become 10 times of the son's age in 1930. So what is the son's age? This is the, in 1930 this is x. So just 10 into x, that means 10x. Is it clear? So basically in this question, this is the our logical portion. This is father's age on 1938 and this is the son's age in 1930. Now just calculate the problem or solve the problem and you will get the value of x. Just 8x plus 8, that means 10x minus 8x. So it will be 2x into is equals to 8. 2x is equals to 8. So x will be 4. So basically this is age of son in 1930 na, in 1930. Now what is the question? Then what will be the age of the son and father in 1940? Okay, in 1940. In 1930 the son is कितने साल का है वो? 4 साल का. Okay, and father is 8x, that means 4 into 8. 4 into 8, that means 32 years. Okay, so in 1940 it will be, son will be 10 years, just plus the 10 on 4, so 14 years, and father will be 32 plus 10, that means 42 years. So this is the answers. Okay, let me explain again. The question is, in 1930 the age of a man was 8 times of his son's age. Suppose the son's age is x and the age of a man was 8 times of his son's age. So if the son's age is x, then the man's or father's age will be 8x, because it given in the question portion it was 8 times of his son's age. So that's why we have the variables. X is the age of son and 8x is the age of father. Now in 1938 the age of father becomes 10 times of the son's age in 1930. Suppose in 1930 the father's age will be 8x plus 8, because we are moving to the 8 years ahead of the 1930. So that's why the age of father will be 8x plus 8. Now what will be the logical portion? Suppose this is the portion of expression of the father's age, that is the 8x plus 8, because it's in 1938's age. Now what is the son's age in 1930? It's x, and the given portion in the question given is the father become 8 times of the son's age of 1930. So son's age in 1930 is x, and 10 times, that means 10 into x. So this is the age of son in 1930. Now just to find out the value of x, so x will be 4 years, which is the age of sons in 1930. यहाँ पर बेटे का age है जो कि 1930 में है, that is the 4 years. And the question is asking what will be the age of the son and father in 1940. So if the x is 4, that means the age of son in 1930 is 4 years. So father's age in 1930, 8 into 4, that will be 32 years. And if you find out the if you want to find out the age in 1940, just plus the 10 years ahead in both the ages, that is 4 plus 10 and 32 plus 10, that will be 14 and 42 years. Is it clear? हमने किया क्या है, जो फादर का एज है और सन का एज है उसको पहले से हमने एज्यूम किया है 1930 में, और 1938 में हमने क्या किया, जस्ट 8 ईयर हमने प्लस कर दिया फादर के एज में. एंड लॉजिक हमने क्या लगाया, फादर का जो एज है 1938 में, वो सन का जो एज है, बेटे का जो एज है 1930 में, उसका 10 गुना है. सो हमने जस्ट क्या किया, सन के एज में 10 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. यहां से हमने सॉल्व करके एक्स का वैल्यू निकाला. बेसिकली एक्स इज द एज ऑफ सन इन 1930. सो जस्ट पुट डाउन द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन. सो दिस विल बी 4 years एंड दिस विल बी 32 years. और अगर हमें 1940 का हमें पता लगाना है तो 10-10 साल आगे बढ़ जाना है, तो हम इसमें भी 10 ऐड करेंगे, इसमें भी 10 ऐड करेंगे, तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, बेटे का एज होगा 14 years एंड फादर का एज होगा 42 years. ओके, इन 1938 8x plus 8 वो इसलिए होगा क्योंकि 1938 में अगर किसी का एज 8x है तो 1938 में क्या, 1930 में अगर किसी का एज 8x है तो 8 साल आगे जाओगे तो उसका एज क्या हो जाएगा, 8 साल बस उसमें ऐड कर देना है, तो बस हमने यही किया है ना। फादर के एज में हमने 8 साल बढ़ा दिया है, और हमने इसलिए बढ़ाया क्योंकि हमें क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है कि 1938 में एक लॉजिक बनेगा, और वो लॉजिक क्या होगा, 1938 में जो पिता होगा, फादर होगा, उसका एज उसके बेटे का जो 1930 का जो एज है उसका 10 गुना हो जाएगा। इसलिए हमें फादर का 1938 का एज चाहिए, या एज का एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए। इज इट क्लियर? इसलिए हमने 8x + 8 किया है, और बेटे का एज को हमने x + 8 इसलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि हमारा लॉजिक यही है कि बेटे के 1930 के एज से कंपेयर करना है फादर के 1938 के एज के साथ। आई होप समझ में आ गया होगा। आगे बढ़ते हैं। इन अ फैमिली अ कपल हैज अ सन एंड अ डॉटर। एक कपल है, एक फैमिली है, उसने एक बेटे हैं और एक पुत्री है, पुत्र है और पुत्री है। द एज ऑफ द फादर इज 3 times ऑफ हिज डॉटर्स एज। नाउ सपोज इन दिस केस daughter's age is x. Okay, daughter's age is x. In a family, couple has a son and daughter. The age of the father is 3 times his daughter. So if the daughter's age is x, so what will be the age of father? It will be 3 times of his daughter's age. So that's why it will be 3x. Is it clear? Now, and the son is half as old as the mother. So suppose, because if the wife is 9 years younger than the husband, suppose this is father means the husband of the mother na. So if the wife is 9 years younger than the husband, so that's why m, that means mother, will be 3x. 3x is the age of father, so that means father age of husband. So mother is 9 years younger than her husband, that means 3x minus 9. Now what will be the mother's age, brother's age basically. So if the wife is 9 years younger than the husband and the brother is 7 years older than the sister, so brother will be 7 years older, that means x plus 7, because the brother is 7 years older than the sister. So sister means the daughter's age, that is x, so x plus 7. Now we have all the expression of ages of daughter, father, mother and brother. Now what is the logic behind this? Suppose son is half as old as the mother. Okay, this is the logic. Logical portion is the son is half as old as the mother. So son's age is x plus 7, half of the age of her mother. So half, that means 1 divided by 2, and age of mother's expression of age of mothers is 3x minus 9. So that's why 3x minus 9. Now this is the logical portion of the question, and just find out the value of x. So just multiply the expression, cross multiplication, you can say that 2x plus 14, 2x plus 14 is equals to 3x minus 9. So 3x and minus 2x, that means x. 14 and plus 9, that will be 23. So age of daughter is 23, right? So what is question? Then what is the age of the mother? So just put down the value of x in this expression and you will get the age of mother. So mother is 3x minus 9, that means 3 into 23 minus 9. This is 69 and minus 9. So answer will be 60-year-old. This is the basically age of mother. बेसिकली आप क्वेश्चंस को जितना ब्रेक डाउन करोगे उतना ही आसान हो जाएगा, ठीक है। So you have to break down the questions portion by portion, then you will it's very easy to find out the logic behind the question. And the most important thing, the basically logical portion. Now next question is, present age of a man is 3 years more than thrice the present age of his son. Okay, It's like present and after 3 years. So that's why first of all we have to consider the present age, that will be son's age. Suppose the son's age is x, variable x. Okay, present age of man is 3 years more than the thrice of the present age of his son. So now father is 3x plus 3. Okay, present age of man is 3 years more, 3 years more than the thrice of the present of his son. So what is the thrice age of his son? This will be the thrice of age of his son. Suppose the x is the age of a son. So what will be the thrice of age of son? It will be 3x. Now the present of a man is 3 years more than the thrice of the present of his son. So just plus the 3 to find out the expression of age of father. Now after 3 years, the age of the man, suppose after 3 years, the age of the man, this is the age of man. Okay, so just put down the 3x plus 3 and plus 3, because this is the after 3 years. So that's why you have to plus again 3 more years. So that's why this will be 3x plus 3 plus 3. That means 3x plus 6. Is it clear? So this is the father's age after 3 years. Now what is the logic? The after 3 years, the age of the man will be 10 years more than the man of more than twice the age of his son. So just x plus 3, because this is the after 3 year case. So that's why x plus 3, the son's age. So this is the age of son. Now what is the logic? Basically this is the man will be 10 years more. So just plus the 10 years more. किसका 10 years more हो रहा है? Twice the age of his son. So just multiply 2. Twice, this is basically the twice of age of son. Is it clear? Just 2 into x plus 3, because we have the after 3 year condition. So that's why the age of son will be x plus 3, and twice of the age of son, 2 into x plus 3, and it will be more than 10 years. So this is the logical portion of the question. Now just find out the value of x and you will get the present age of the person. Now 3x plus 6 is equals to 2x plus 6 plus 10, and okay, so 3x and minus 2x, so x, and it will be 10, 16 and 6, so minus 16 minus 10, 16 minus 6, that means x. So x is the 10 years and x is the age of son. So what is the age of father? Just put down the value of x into the father's age. So it is the 3x plus 3, 3 into 10 plus 3, that will be 30 plus 3. So 33 years old. This is the age of father. I hope you will get the, you understood the problems, or you can say that you can understood the logic behind the question, and you will get the age of son. And just put down the value of x into the expression of father's age. Clear na? Okay. One more example. 2 years ago, a man was 6 times as old as his son. Okay, 2 years ago. So suppose 2 years ago condition is x. 2 years ago, a man was 6 times as old as his son. So that's why suppose the age of son is x, then man was 6 times as old as his son. So that's why father's age will be 6x. Is it clear? Now, after 8 years, he will be twice as old as his son. So suppose after 18 years, after 18 years, no? Okay, so after 18 years, okay, it's a 2 year ago condition. तो 2 साल पहले की कंडीशन है, तो पहले तो इसको प्रेजेंट कंडीशन में लाना पड़ेगा. नाउ सपोज द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन एंड फादर इज x plus 2 and father's age will be 6s plus 2. This is the present age. Now after 18 years, the son's age will be x plus 2 plus 18, right? And father's age will be 6x plus 2 plus 18. So son's age will be x plus 20 on father's age will be 6x plus 20. Okay, na? Now what is the logic? After 18 years he will be twice as old as his son. So suppose this is father says 6x plus 20 and is equals to twice as old as his son, 2 into x plus 20. Now this is the logical portion. This is father's age and this is son's age. Just find out the value of x and you will get the answer. 6x plus 20 is equals to 20x plus 40. Now 20x, okay, 2x na. Okay, 6x minus 2x, 4x, and 40 minus 20, it will be 20. X is equals to 5. So this is the age of son. Now what is the question? What is their present age? Present age. So basically this is the 5 years, that is the 2 years ago age of his son. Now the present age of his son will be x plus 2. That means 5 plus 2. Actually this is 2 years ago condition age. Now this will be present age. So what is the present age of father? Father's present age will be 6x plus 2 and it will be 6 into 5. 6 into 5. What is the value of x? X is the 5 plus 2. So 30 plus 2, that means 32 years. So answer is 7 years and 32 years. 7 years and 32 years. Is it clear? Okay. A mother is 3 times as old as her son. एक माँ अपने पुत्र से 3 गुनी आयु की. Okay. A mother is 3 times as old as her son. 5 years ago, son's age was 1/6 of father's age. If the father is older than the mother by 5 years, then what is the age of the son? Suppose a mother is 3 times as old as her son. जिससे कंपेयर किया जाता है ना, उसको हमें यहाँ पे सपोज करना है, उसको एज्यूम करना है. ओके, सो the comparison between a mother and son, and the comparison will be started from the son. So that's why we have considered, or you can say that the assume variable of the age of son. So that's why s is equals to x, or you can say that suppose the age of son is x. Now what is the age of mother? The age of mother will be 3 times as old as her son, that means 3 into x, 3x. Now what will be the age of father? 5 years ago son's age was 1. This is the logical portion. Suppose if the father is older than the mother by 5 years, so this is the age of mother, that is 3x, and 5 years older, father is the 5 year older than her mother, so his mother, that means 3x plus 5 is the age of father. Now what is the condition? 5 years ago, that means before 5 years. What is the age of son? It is x minus 5. Okay, age of son x minus 5, and age of father will be 3x plus 5 minus 5, that means 5 cancel, बचेगा क्या? 3x. So this is the age of father and son before 5 years. Now let's create a logical portion, that is 5 years ago son's age was 1/6 of father. So what is son's age? X minus 5, right, is equals to 1/6 of his father's age, that is 3x. Okay. Just multiply or cross multiplication, x minus 5 is equals to, you can say that 3 and 2, that is 2x. So 2x minus 10 is equals to, okay, this is 2 na. So 1 divided by 2x. So 2x minus 10 is equals to x. So 2x minus x, that will be x, and this is 10. So present condition, in present condition, age of a son is 10 years. What is the question? Then what is the age of the son? Okay, this is the correct answer. X of x is equals to 10 years. That means the age of son is 10 years in present condition. Okay, 18 years ago, the age of a man was thrice the age of his son. First of all, we have to consider a present age of son and father. So son's age is x. Now, before 18 years, 18 years ago, the age of man was thrice the age of his son. So before 18 years, the age of son will be x minus 18, right? X minus 18. So what will be the age of father? Father's age will be thrice of the his son's age, that is x minus 18. Is it clear? Now, father's age will be 3x minus 18 3 is 54. So the son's age in before 18 years is x minus 18, and father's age in before 18 years, that will be 3x minus 54. Now what is the condition? Now that man is twice as old as his son. Okay, now that means present condition. Okay, so suppose प्रेजेंट कंडीशन में एज क्या हो जाएगा फादर का? इन प्रेजेंट कंडीशन द एज ऑफ फादर विल बी 3x minus 54 and minus 18. Okay, before na, so plus 18. Okay, plus 18. So that's why you can say that the age of father will be 3x and minus 36. This is the present age of father. Present age of father. Okay, now the logic is, now the man is twice as old as his son. So man's or father's present is 3x minus 36 and twice of his present age of his son. So present age of his son is x. So that's why this is the logical portion of the question. 3x minus 36 is equals to 2x. This is the present age of father. And x is the son's present age. Okay, or this is the logic. Now just find out the value of x. 3x minus 2x, that means x is equals to 36, which is the age of his son. And what is the question? What will be the sum of present age of father and son? Okay, this is son's age, present age. Now we have to find out the present age of father. So present age of father will be 3x minus 36. Okay, so 3 into 36 minus 36, it will be 8 and 9 and 108 minus 36. So it will be 72 years old. So this is the present age of father. Now what is the question? The sum of the present ages of the father and son. So present age of, sum of present ages of father and son. It will be 72 plus 36 and it's 108. Okay, 108 years age. Okay, next question is, the sum of the ages of a man and his son is 45 years. The sum of the ages of a man and his son is 45 years. So suppose the father's age is X and his son's age is Y. Now what is condition? X plus Y is equals to 45 years. The sum of the ages of man and his son is 45 years old. Okay, so now in this condition you can find out the age of father, or you can say that the value of Y will be 45 minus X. Okay. Now before 5 years, the product of their ages 5 years ago, before 5 years, was 4 times the age of that person at that time. Okay, the product of their ages 5 years ago. So now the before 5 years, that means father's age will be x minus 5 and son's age will be 45 minus x, 45 minus x and minus 5. So it will be 40 minus x. Clear? Before 5 years, this is the basically a condition before 5 years. Father's age will be x minus 5 and son's age will be 40 minus x. Now what is the condition or logic? The product of their ages, just multiply the age of father and age of son. So x minus 5 multiply 40x minus 5. The product of their ages 5 years ago, because 5 years ago condition will be the product of their ages, was 4 times the ages of that. That means 4 into एज ऑफ दैट पर्सन एट दैट टाइम. इस पर्सन का जो है उस टाइम का जो है एज को माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करना है 4 से. सो x minus 5 is the age of that person. It means age of the father. Now just find out the value of x. So it will be cancelled on both sides. X minus 5, 40 minus x. It means 40 minus x is equals to 4. So x is equals to 40 minus 4. That will be 40 minus 4. That will be 36 here. So basically this is the present of father, present age of father. Now what is the question? What is the age of father and son? That means the present age of father and son. So this is the y is equals to the age of father, the age of son is 45 minus x, that is 36. So age of son will be 9 years old. Now what is the age of father and son? So just value of y and x. So these are the answer. Father's age is 36-year-old and son's age is 9 years old. Okay, now we have 2 or 3 questions more. Okay, Syam's age is half of his father's age. So suppose father's age is x. Age of father is x. Now Syam's age is half of his father's age. Suppose this is the age of father's. So Syam's age, or you can say that the age of son, is half of his father's age. That means x divided by 2, right? After 20 years, his father's age will be 1.5 times of Syam's age. Now consider the after 5 years, after 20 years, after 20 years. The father's age will be x plus 20. After 20 years, that means x plus 20. And Syam's age will be x plus 2 plus 20. Now the condition is after 20 years, his father's age, that means x plus 20, will be 1.5 time of Syam's age. 1.5, that means 1.5. So 2 plus 1, that is 3 divided by 2. So that's why 3 divided by 2 into Syam's age. So what is Syam's age? After 20 years, x divided by 2 plus 20 is the Syam's age. This is father's age and this is son, or we can say that the age of Syam. Now just solve the problem and you will get the value of x, because the question is what is the present age of Syam's father, and x is the value of or you can say variable of related to the age of father. So just to find out the value of x. Okay, just multiply 2x plus 2 into 20, that means 40, is equals to 3x divided by 2 and plus 3 23 just 60. Okay, now 2x plus 40 is equals to 3x plus 60 into 2, 120 divided by 2. So 2 into 2x, it will be 4x, plus 40 into 2, that means 80. Now 3x plus 120, 3x and 4x, that means x is equals to 120 minus 80, that means 40 years. So what is the present age of Syam's father? Basically this is the present age of Syam's father, that means Syam's father's present age is x. Basically it is 40 years. Okay, let's do another example based on the ratio. The ratio between Rina's age and Mina's age is 3:1. If after 10 years Rina's age was twice of Mina's age, then what was the ratio between their ages before 5 years? Okay. Suppose Rina's age ratio, Mina's age. Okay. So what is the ratio? Basically 3:1. 3:1. So Rina's age will be 3x and Mina's age will be 1x, or you can say just x. So just convert the ratio form into the variables. So now we have the Rina's age is 3x and Mina's age is x. Now what is the condition? If after 10 years, Rina's age will be 3x plus 10 and Mina's age will be x plus 10, and create the logic. What is the logic? After 10 years, Rina's age, suppose 3x plus 10 is Rina's age was after 10 years, equals to Rina's age was twice of Mina's age. 2 into what is Mina's age after 10 years? X plus 20. This is Rina's age, or we can say that the expression of Rina's age, and this is the Mina's age. Now just find out the value of x again. 3x plus 10 is equals to 2x plus 20. Now 3x minus 2x is x is equals to 20 minus 10, that will be 10. So what is the x? Basically this is the age of Mina. Now what is question? What was the ratio between their ages before 5 years? Now just consider the before 5 years of their age. So before 5 years, Rina's age will be 3x minus 5 and Mina's age will be x minus 5, right? So it will be 30 into 10 minus 5 and it will be 30 minus 5. So इसको थोड़ा ऐसे लिखते हैं. Before 5 years, Rina's age expression will be 3x minus 5 is equals to 3 into x minus 5. It's 30 minus 5, that means 25 years. Okay. and Mina's age expression is x minus 5 is equals to 10 minus 5, that will be 5 years. So question is basically we have to find out the ratio between their ages. So just Rena's ratio, Mina. So age is Rena is 25, age of Mina is 5. So what will be the ratio? Basically 5:1, or you can say 25:5, that means 5:1. Okay, correct. Okay, this one is the last question. The ratio of the ages of Vicky and Somi is 2:3. Suppose Vicky ratio Somi, इसे इस तरह से लिखो, Vicky ratio Somi. Now the ratio of ages of Vicky and Somi is 2:3. So 2:3. Now just convert into the variables, like Vicky's age will be 2x and Somi's age will be 3x. Correct. Now consider the second portion. After 12 years, suppose after 12 years, it will be Vicky's ratio will be 2x plus 12 and Somi's ratio age will be 3x plus 12. Now after 12 years, the ratio of their ages, now the ratio of their ages will be 2x plus 12. Ratio means divided by, that means just divided 2x plus 12 divided by 3x plus 12. So the ratio of their ages is 11:15. That means 11 divided by 15. Now in this question, this is the basically a logical portion of the question. Now just solve the problem. You can say that the simplify the expression and you will get the value of x. Just a second. Okay, so it's a cross multiplication. 15 multiplied 2x plus 12 is equals to 11 multiplied 3x plus 12. 30x, 12, 15, 15 to the 30 and 15 and 3, 18, 180. Now is equals to 33x and 12, 11, 132. Now 33x minus 30x is equals to 180 minus 132. So this is 3x is equals to 48 and x is equals to 48 divided by 3, that means 16. So what is the value of x? X is the 16. Now what is the present age of the Sumi and Vicky? Just put down the value of x in this expression. So Vicky's age will be 2 into 16 and Sumi's age will be 3 into 16. This is 32 and this will be 48. So this is the answer of the question. What is the present age of Sumi and Vicky? Na? So Sumi's age will be 48 years and Vicky's age will be 32 years old. And if you want to find out the ratio, you can also find out the ratio of their ages. Okay, we have one more question. So this is the last question. Suppose the ratio of the present ages of two brothers A and B. So the brothers are A and B is 1:2. So suppose A ratio B is 1:2. Now 5 years ago the ratio of their ages was 1:3. Now suppose we have to convert the variables form. So this will be x and this will be 2x. Now before 5 years, that means the age of A will be x minus 5 and the age of B will be 2x minus 5. So just before 5 years, the ratio of their ages will be 1:3. That means 1 divided by 3. Just again cross multiply this expression, 3 into x, that means 3x minus 15 is equals to 2x minus 5. Now x will be 3x minus 2x, x, and 15 minus 5, that will be 10. So x is the 10, that is the age of A. What is the question? What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? This is the after 5-year case. That means just find out the ages of both brothers. So x is the 10x, this is the age of A, and 2x is equals to 2 into 10, that means 20 years. This is the age of B, right now. Okay. After 5 years, this is the before 5 years case. Okay, you have to consider the after 5 years. After 5 years, that means x plus 5 ratio 2x plus 5, correct? Now x is 10 plus 5 ratio 2 into 10 plus 5, so 15 ratio 25, and it will be 3 ratio 5. So answer will be 3 ratio 5, correct? Basically it's a condition of after 5 years. No? That's why we have to consider the expression of after 5 years, because the present age is of A is x, so that's why after 5 years it will be x plus 5, and the present age of B is 2x, that's why you have considered the after 5-year case, that will be 2x plus 5, and just put down the value of x, and it will be 15 ratio 25. So ratio will be 3 ratio 5. Okay, that's it for the age based problem. Now in next class we will discuss about the percent. Okay, thank you.